Hello, good morning, all. Suma here, your coach and passionpreneur. How does our mental health impacts our physical health? Let me share you a story. I had a very good friend, Rekha. Last 3 years back, she got a severe back pain. She visited to an orthopedic surgeon nearby her residence. So the doctor told that pain may be due to the heavy work schedule in the office as well as at home also. So you may take just 1 week bed rest and then come and meet me. I'll suggest some exercises. So she returned home. As soon as she returned home and after her normal daily routine, she took rest. After that, she started thinking that she has become a burden to the family. All these years, she was very active and taking care of all the responsibilities of the family. Suddenly, she was off. She started to think that it is going to be permanent and why that pain has come to me only. She started to develop negative thoughts. She started to think the same thing day by day. The pain was not reducing. She thought she is giving trouble to her husband. Since she has to depend on her husband for all the small things also, this created her thinking that she has become a dependent on the work. Now, after a month, after a week, she visited the same doctor. The doctor examined, everything was normal. Again, he told that you have to take complete bed rest and then come and meet me. Again, she came back. And at home, her husband used to do lot of work because she was not able to do now. So sometimes he used to get angry because of the office work and he has to manage the household work also for some time. So he used to get angry that time. Instead of taking this as a positive report to her mind, Rekha started to develop negative mindset. She thought that she has become completely dependent on her husband and she was not able to get up permanently. This caused still more pain to her physical health. Again, she went to the doctor. Doctor examined her, everything was normal, and he had a doubt that whether it may be related to her spinal region or some other issues. So he told that let us do one MRI and X-ray also, then we will come to a conclusion. Then that process was over. Everything was normal. The reports are 100%, but she was not able to get rid of the pain. So the doctor told, after a month, you please come and meet me. Let me check out what best I can do. But Rekha didn't believe. Again, she went to the different orthopedic surgeon, different neurosurgeon, just by changing the doctors, thinking that she may get cured by other different medication. My dear friends, the actual reason was because of her negative thoughts, negative mindset. Along with the medication, we need to have a strong mindset that you are going to be get rid of that pain very soon instead of thinking you are a burden to the family. Always we need to think about the positive thing rather than the negative thing that it's a burden. I am giving trouble to others. Instead of that, if you think you can get rid of the pain very soon along with the other medications, this will help you to come out of that pain and do better. So, have a good positive mindset along with your normal medication to get rid of any pain. And this is very important for everyone to understand that we should follow healthy habits and also have mental health in a good condition. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. With some more insights, see you tomorrow.